Hello you guys and welcome back to Street Smart Investing. I'm here to show you guys my technical analysis that I have for you guys today. And as you can see, there is the technical analysis for the stock CODX, and this is the ratings for it. Now let me zoom out. Okay, so there we go. So let me hide this and show you the technical analysis very fast. So compared to the last chart, we have this here. We have the Exponential Moving Average. We have 4 settings on it. I'm using the EMA 10, EMA 20, the EMA 40, EMA 50, and the EMA 200. And I've created a wedge upward pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is actually a wedge pattern. This right here, right there, and this right here, that equals the wedge pattern. So, as you can see, I have the price at 18.45, which is, that's what it is now. And as you can see here, hold on, let me just get my pen real quick, okay. So, what I did was, so I set my settings 10, 20, 40, 50, and 200. So, I started off in February with the prices going up and down. So I started off about, hold on, I started back in February. So I started in February, and then what I did was I touched the first point. I call it a 3-point contact because that's a strategy that some people use, and basically you got to touch the bottom points of the lowest prices. And so that was point 1. Point 2, this was a low price here around March 10th or around March 9th or 8th, but that didn't exactly go for the long-term trend. So you just find the next point, and the next point that continues the support trend for this long period of time, that would come to about here, April. So let me go click on the 6-month period. So now you can see if I can zoom in. So around this point here, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, that's when the point touched. And then the next one that I'm expecting The next one that I'm expecting would be around August. So when I click on the year to date and I go to you see right there, this right here, the date for that would be about, let me see, that would be about August 21st. So that's the date that I'm gonna look at, August 21st. So basically, when the price is in this range, so far it is, it already touched this. This so far looks like the third point that's gonna touch. So that's the support and that's resistance. So this is the range between the prices of where it's gonna fall under. So far so good. So when it gets up to this point, I'm expecting it to, based on this trend, the way that it's been going, it's been looking bullish, means it's been going up. So I'm expecting a bullish pattern. So by August 21st, I'm expecting this to shoot up really, really hard up for channel up momentum. And yeah, it's pretty cheap now, but that's what it looks like. So again, with the exponential moving averages, I wish I can zoom in, but let me see. I can't remember what settings to look at, but if you can see like the red, just a quick sample. If you can see the red, damn, I wish you can see the let me go back to the okay, now let me click on the 1 year. Year to date. Let's see, year to date. There we go. That's a clearer picture. If you can see the first line, so I did that. Let me take out the drawings for indicators. Okay. Anyways, I'll leave them. If you can see the red line, it's been following the EMA 10 pretty precise, and that's a key indicator between the support and resistance that I've been seeing. It's been trending, see below the 10, then above the 10, then you see it below price, then it kind of goes above the 10, then it's below the 10, and yeah, just kind of shot up above the 10, and it's been trending at all these indicators that I set. It's been following closely to the 10. Now the next one is the yellow. It's a bright yellow, not a dark yellow, because this one's a dark yellow. I don't know if you guys can determine that, but yeah, the second line is the EMA 20, and that's the moving average, exponential moving average 20. Between that range, it's been pretty good, and then that starts to get narrow. You don't want to see that. You want to see that widen up. I mean, you could still try to make a short play, which, short-term play, which a lot of people like to do, but I don't do that. I like to see space between that, and that's how you get a better advantage when you have the space between the lines. And so it's been following, then it gets wide, then it starts to get narrow, and then right there. So as you can see, it's been following that red line pretty precise. So again, I even looked at the 50-day and nothing. This is another key line, the 200 is nowhere near this line, so that's gonna take like a few years down the line. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. And as you can see, the fundamentals on the stock CODX. See, CODX. Fundamentals are awful, but as you can see, bullish, and it got down, then it starts to get bullish again, then it kind of evened out through this part, bullish again for the most part, then it kind of stayed and held that price, that trend. So yeah, there it is. Technicals are good, but fundamentals are crap.